In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Outlook. If you're more comfortable using Outlook in another language or you've moved to a different region, switching the interface language can make navigation and settings much clearer. I'll walk you through this in Outlook on the web, which you use in a browser. The desktop app has its own preferences, so follow along here if you're using the web version. Start by going to Outlook in your browser at outlook.live.com/mail. Once your inbox loads, you should see your folders on the left and your messages in the center. Stay on this page while we make the change so you can immediately see the results in your current session. Open Settings by selecting the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens a settings panel on the right side. From there, choose General. If your panel shows Quick Settings at first, look for the option that expands all settings, and then pick General in the left-hand menu. The General section is where Outlook keeps preferences that affect the whole experience rather than just your reading or layout views. Next, select Language and Time. This page controls the display language for the Outlook interface and the regional formats that go with it. You'll also see related options like date and time formatting and time zone in the same area. If you only want to change the language, you can leave the other fields as they are. Now open the language dropdown. The list is alphabetical and often shows languages in their native names, and many include regional variants. Choose the exact version that matches how you want menus and labels to appear. Remember, this changes the Outlook interface language, not the content of emails you receive. Your messages stay as they were, but menus, buttons, folders, and system notifications will switch to the language you select. After choosing your language, click Save to confirm. Outlook will apply the new setting and may refresh or briefly reload to complete the change. Give it a moment and you should see the interface update across navigation, settings, and folder names like Inbox and Sent Items. If something doesn't switch immediately, refresh the page and it should align with your new selection. This update applies to Outlook on the web for your account and helps keep your experience consistent whenever you sign in through a browser. That's it. You went to Outlook, opened Settings, selected General, clicked Language and Time, picked your language from the dropdown, and saved. Enjoy using Outlook in the language that's most comfortable for you.